Hey, it's our Locksmith here. Okay, we're going to change the battery here on our remote. I'm using this, all it is a flat tip screwdriver. It's nothing special, as you can see. So let's go ahead and start this task. Go ahead and make sure your key is removed, your key ring. Go ahead and remove the emergency blade. Now, once you got it removed, you'll have this indentation here, not where the key blade came out. Go ahead and put your flat tip in there, and just go ahead and rotate it. And you notice the remote housing opened up. You can take the flat tip and put it in there. You can use your fingers. And when you open it up, you notice this one here came apart in 2 pieces, and then the circuit board fell. Don't worry, those are your buttons. Those right here are the buttons, so we'll just put it back in there. And when you put it in, when it comes apart, look, and you will actually see there's a little tab that holds it. So we'll leave that laying face down. Now, you see you have your little metal tangs right here that hold the battery. Don't pry towards those areas, as in put the screwdriver in there. Just come over on the side, just slowly lift up, and you notice it popped right out. This is a CR2032 battery, and if you look down in the remote housing in here, it actually shows positive side. So we're going to put the same battery back in. These are new remotes we're using. Put it in, push down. I like to flip it over. The battery stayed in. Go ahead and put the 2 halves together and gently squeeze. And you notice by doing that, it's together. It looks good. Go ahead and put the emergency blade back in. And there you go. You just changed your battery on your remote. Hey, thanks again for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know that the video helped you out. Leave us a comment. Be sure to check out our playlist. We do have other how-to videos dealing with locks, whether your house, your automotive, residential, commercial, and we'll be adding weekly to our channel. And go ahead and drop us an email and let us know if there's something you'd like us to do or see, or you have a question. Thanks again for watching.